We're going to do a ColourPop today because I ordered a ColourPop when they had this special because I have an obsession with this little character. And if we were in my normal office, you would see why. But anyway, as Margot will show you, I ordered from ColourPop, and this box is beautiful. So I just wanted to show you the inside because it's really nice, very impressive. And Mary-Kay does a nice box inside when we deliver your products, so for customers. So I like to give a shout out to the others that does a nice job with the box. So yes, so as I said, it's ColourPop. No sponsorship, no nothing. I bought this all by myself because I love the product, and it says "You light up my life," which is nice. Thank you, ColourPop. And so we'll get into the products that I bought. So this one, I'll do this one first. So this is a little box. Oh, let me get my fingers out of the way. And it's Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. She makes me happy. So when ColourPop came out with the Hello Kitty collection, I had to have it. Now they did have lip gloss, but it was really their own lip balm, and it was just branded with Hello Kitty. And although this is their product and it's branded, it's more than just a sticker on the lid to change it. So that's why I bought certain products and I didn't buy all of the Hello Kitty stuff that they had available. And then I also bought something extra because if you're in Canada, well, I mean, even in the States, we have to buy a little more in Canada in order to get free shipping. So rather than putting the money towards shipping, I just put it to more products. They have nice products, and so that way I get free shipping. All right, so let's open the box that I just showed you, and it is called Snow Much More. Cute. And we'll open the box, and oh, I destroyed box. Let's see if I can get this to slide out. Ah, there we go. I don't know if I'm going to keep the boxes. Honestly, I'm not that kind of person, so but I feel bad if I'm ruining it. So this is the palette they came with, and it looks the same as the outside box, and it's cute. I don't know who the other two characters are. I love Hello Kitty, and then there's Melody, and I like Melody too. She's cute. I have a couple of things with her on it. So it's a really cute palette, and then as you open it up, there's no mirror, don't worry, Margot. And it says Slay All Day. It was a Christmas palette that they came out with, and look at the colors. Really nice. I thought they did a nice job. I know it was Christmas, so I don't know why they don't have a red in it. At least because she does have a red bow. So that would be my only thought about it. But otherwise, it's really nice. And the snowflakes, some of them are raised up. They've got a little bit of texture to the little snowflakes on there. So that's nice. So, but it's a really nice, cute little pan. So I like that. And then I got let's get this other out of the way, and then we'll get to the extra thing that I bought. All right, so this one is also from the Hello Kitty. Oh, this is a pressed powder cheek, so this is a blush. So we got the cute little packaging again, very nicely done. And this one is called At Frost Sight. So sweet. Can't you just see the sugar dripping off of it? But that's what we want from Hello Kitty, because that's what I get from her. I love Hello Kitty. I have Hello Kitty all over my office when I'm normally set up. So this is the palette for the cheek color, and again, it's got the little characters on it. Very cute. Packaging still matches everything. And then we open it up, and there's a mirror, so we'll bend it back for Margot. And it's got a cheek, and she's embossed right in the pink. I love it. Very cute. So, and I do well with pink. So they had a more of a brown kind of blush, but pink looks good on my skin tone. So At Frost Sight is the color for this. It was a limited edition, so sadly I haven't seen it on the website since. I don't know if they'll ever come back with it, and their products are pretty consistent as to how they do stuff. So the last thing I bought was just to add to the delivery so that I could get it for free, like I said, because why not just spend it on product instead of shipping. So this I got is the Dreamery, and it's the Super Shock Shadow Vault. Wow, say that 3 times. And it's a nice box, Dreamery, ColourPop. It's got all these little stars. They got a little bit of texture to them. I can feel them on the box. And so then we will open up the box, and it's got more ColourPop, and then it's got all these colors in it. We got them all in the shot as best we can. I know there's probably a little reflection off the lids. I will be doing makeup videos with these as well, so hopefully I'll be able to feature them a little closer. But these are all individual colors, and they just all shimmer. So I thought they would be a nice addition to my makeup, just to add, because you know, you can mix it up with a matte, or just wear them singly and then just put some mascara on. And on the back it tells you all the colors as well, of what the colors were that were inside. So that's nice. So unless this takes up a huge amount of space on my desk, then I will leave it in the box so that I know what's what. But I'm sure they have the names on the back too. I didn't look at what. We'll look. I'm doing a review video, so maybe we'll pull one out and see. So just let me move that over, and we'll pull one of these out. Oh Lord. Uh-oh. Oh, except maybe we're gonna get Margot to. I'll hold the box. Margot's gonna bring. Oh, whoa! Popped right out. Goodness.
Super Shock Shadow.
Does it say the
20K
color?
one. DGAF.
Ah, is that what they said on the back? I didn't read the back. This is. It says it's Moonwalk. Yeah, it's exactly what Marco said. Not that I doubted you. I just wanted to check the name just in
Can you
case,
see the
but
box?
yeah.
Maybe it has a different, maybe it's in...
I mean, it might be in different order, but I was just looking at the one that's like right behind the...
Yeah, DGAF is over here.
Oh. Oh, I see.
That's DGAF, so it's...
Ah, so Margot's figured out that they do have the names, but it's not necessarily behind the color. The color, I'll show you on camera here. I'll bring this back over. So the color, the name is behind this one, but it's not. The name is this one.
But it's on the package.
But on the package, it's wrong. But on the individual, it tells you what it is. So you don't have to keep the box if you don't want to. But it's tightly packed in there, as we've just discovered. So they're not going anywhere when you order them, so you can order with confidence that it's not going to bounce around in the box. So I'm going to pop that back in again. Easier to put in than take out. And that's it. So that's my ColourPop shop, and I was excited to do it. I had a big sale, and I just love Hello Kitty. That was the only reason I got it. The sole reason was because it's Hello Kitty. All right, well, thank you for watching again, and we'll see you in another video. All right, take care. Bye.